This morning I want to show you the question 10 on the midterm exam. First I want to show you that I created a 1 gig virtual hard drive. I partitioned it with the VHDX format and then GPT on the partition style, and then name it virtual hard drive. So I just want to show you that first. Make sure that let me show you the properties. Yeah, there you go. Here. Okay. Close that. Next one, I want to show you that all the files that we received to the hard drive would be, or I enabled the file and folder compression. Click at that, and then the same with the folder. It's right there. Click on that. So I have here my folder that I configured. There's not really much information online to how to configure a folder, so I did my best to reconfigure it. I have a virtual hard drive here. This was the hard drive that I created earlier. And this is the folder. And I configured this to redirect all the files, or configure all the files that would be saved here will go to this virtual hard drive. So I have here sample files. Let's put it here, copy there, make sure it's all in there. Okay, well let me show you. Let me show you that there's no file there. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I will copy those files, put them in here, save them in here, the data storage file, and I'll show you that it is here. So if I delete this here, that means if I open this, it's also deleted here. So that means this is configured to where whenever I save a file in this folder, it would go directly to this folder that I saved here on the virtual hard drive. There you go. Thanks for watching.